welcome back to my channel. I'm back this week with another video for you guys, but today we're gonna be doing a tutorial on this look you see right here. It is perfect for spring, for Easter, for basically this time of the year now that it is getting a little bit warmer. I did want to let you guys know that I did do this look using the Jaclyn Hill x Morphe palette only on my eyes. So the reason why I wanted to use that palette is because I know that a lot of you guys do have it, and that means that you'll be able to recreate this look. You know, this was like my first time using this palette, and I am like very impressed with it. Like, it is so good. I know I'm like really late to the party, but you know, I love this palette. I can see why a lot of people are loving it now because it is amazing. And yeah, if you're interested to see a tutorial on this look you see right here, go ahead and keep on watching. But if you're not a part of the Paolian family yet, don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. And yeah, let's get into this Easter slash spring makeup tutorial using the Jaclyn Hill x Morphe palette. Well, hello guys, and welcome back. So today we're gonna start off this tutorial with doing our eyes. As you can tell, my face is already done. I just haven't done my contour, bronze, and blush and highlight, but my foundation, concealer, and powder is done, and also my brows. I also primed my eyelids with some concealer, but we're gonna get to the eyes. So I'm first gonna go in with my Morphe M433 and the shade Silk Cream from the Jaclyn Hill x Morphe palette. Guys, this is the first time I ever used this palette. I mean, I know it came out in June and everybody has used it already, but I got it at Ulta earlier today and I swatched some of the shades and it looks pretty promising. And you know, so far blending this shade into my eye, it feels really good. And I really wanted to use this palette because I know a lot of you guys have it and you'll be able to recreate this look if I use this palette. So I am really excited to use this. Okay, so now that the transition is down, I'm gonna go in with the shade Pukey. And I'm gonna grab that with the same Morphe M504. And I'm just gonna put it pretty much where I put the shade Silk Cream, but a tiny bit lower. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my Morphe M433 in the shade Hunts, and I'm just gonna put this right here. And I'm just gonna blend it lightly into Pukey. And I'm just keeping this very low on my crease. And I'm slowly bringing it up because I don't want it to reach my brow. I do want it to have a nice fade, but I still want the red to show with my eye just completely relaxed and open. So I'm just placing it right here. Ooh, okay, so now that color is blended, I'm gonna go in with the same Morphe M433 and the shade Jax, which is just a darker plum color. And I'm not gonna go in too ham with this color, but I'm just gonna put it right here. Like kind of where I already put Hunts, but a little bit lower. Ooh, I like that a lot. Okay, so now that that looks a lot like a sunset, I'm gonna go in with the shade Crimsicle and my Sigma E57. And I'm gonna pack this on my lid. I don't have any concealer, but I do want to see how this yellow looks dry. It's not bad. I'm gonna leave this 1/3 open because I do want to put something else there. Okay, so since I do want this yellow to pop a little more, and this is a matte yellow, not a shimmer, I'm not gonna use a glitter glue. I'm actually gonna use a little bit of concealer. I'm just gonna grab the concealer with my finger and I'm gonna pat it on my lid. I don't really like to use glitter glue with matte shades, so I'm just gonna grab some concealer. And I'm not gonna set it with translucent powder. I'm gonna set it with the yellow, and that's just gonna make the yellow pop a lot. So now I'm gonna go in with the same Sigma E57. I'm just gonna pack the yellow on top of that concealer. As you can tell, it's just gonna make the yellow pop, and it's not gonna fade throughout the day, and it's actually gonna be a statement. It's not gonna be like on this eye where you can lightly see a yellow. It's gonna be very bright and in your face. Like, see the difference? This is with concealer, this is with no concealer. Now going in with the M433, blending the edges. You know, I'm actually gonna grab some of the shade Jax on the same M433, and I'm gonna put it right out here on the very outer corner of my eye. Okay, so now that the yellow is down, I'm gonna go in with the shade Faint on this space right here. I'm gonna grab it on my finger because this looks very foiled and beautiful. Like, pretty. Ooh, that's bright. I like that. I like that a lot. Okay, so with this shade, I definitely don't need glitter glue or Fix Plus or anything because that is blinding. That is absolutely stunning. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe M433 on this very top edge and I'm just gonna blend that. I have no additional color on my M433. I'm just literally just blending. Now with my finger, I'm gonna grab some of the shade Creamsicle, just that yellow, and I'm just gonna pat these two together so that they merge beautifully. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my Sigma E21 and the shade Beam, and I'm gonna put this on my brow bone. You know, looking at this shade in the pan, I thought that this was gonna be way less pigmented, so I think I grabbed a little bit too much. You know, I'm also gonna put that shade on the inner corner. I really like this shade, guys. It's just such an everyday color. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my Morphe M432 and the shade Enchanted, and I'm gonna put this on my lower lash line. I'm just pressing it against my waterline. And now with my Sigma E34, I'm gonna lightly dab into the shade Jade, and I'm gonna blend out the color Enchanted. So now I'm just gonna put some Highliner from Marc Jacobs and RoCocoa on my waterline. And I'm gonna put on some of the Tarte Light Camera Lashes Mascara. I'm gonna put this on my top and lower lashes. Okay guys, so now my mascara is done, so I'm just gonna go in with the Huda Beauty lashes in the style Jade number 13. I'm gonna put these on and I'll be back to finish off my face makeup. Alright guys, so now my eyes are completely done. All I did is I added my lashes and I did do a line of just black eyeliner with my Tarte Double Take eyeliner. And now I'm just gonna bronze up my face. I'm gonna be using my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I'm gonna use the middle shade and my Sephora number 79 brush first. I'm just gonna bronze up my face with this, and I'll contour with the darkest shade right after I bronze. Okay, so now that I bronzed my face with the middle shade, I'm gonna go in with the darkest shade and the same Sephora brush, and I'm gonna chisel out my cheeks to just make them pop. I also like to do my jaw with the very dark shade because I don't want a double chin. So this hides it way better than the lighter shade. Okay, so now I'm just gonna bake my contour. So I'm gonna go in with the Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush in the shade Feisty and my Luxie 514 brush. Just gonna dust this on my cheeks. This is a more orange blush, which pairs perfect with this eye look, so that is why I chose this one. I'm gonna just dust this off already. Just press in any excess powder with my Morphe sponge. Okay, so for highlighter, I'm gonna go in with the shade Eclipse, and I'm gonna mix it in with a little bit of the shade Luna from the Aurora Glow Kits by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm gonna use my Smashbox Lighted Up Fan Brush. Gonna mix those two. Don't forget the Cupid's bow. A little bit on the chin, a little bit on the forehead, a little bit on the nose. Alright guys, so for lips, I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Naked. I always drop everything, like, oh my goodness. Like, if you saw my desk, I always drop everything, and it is like the most annoying thing ever. So I'm gonna go in with this liquid lipstick, and I'm gonna top it off with the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in the shade Amber. So now we're going in with the gloss. And yeah guys, that is it for this Easter / springtime makeup tutorial. Well, yeah guys, that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel before you leave. And yeah, that is it. I hope you liked it. I hope you recreate it. And I will see you on my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.